Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the NVIDIA error OXE60000 on Windows 10 and Windows 11.
Fix 1. Restart NVIDIA services. Step 1. Press Win plus R. Type services. MSC. Press Enter. Step 2. Restart NVIDIA Display Container LS. Step 3. Restart NVIDIA Local System Container. Fix 2. Run NVIDIA app as administrator. Step 1. Close all NVIDIA apps. Step 2. Right. Click NVIDIA Control Panel to NVIDIA app. Step 3. Click Run as administrator. Fix 3. Update NVIDIA Graphics Driver. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Step 2. Expand Display Adapters. Step 3. Right. Click NVIDIA GPU Update Driver. Step 4. Select Search automatically for drivers. Fix 4. Clean reinstall NVIDIA driver. Step 1. Download latest driver from NVIDIA website. Step 2. Run installer. Step 3. Choose Custom, Advanced. Step 4. Check Perform a clean installation.